Unbelievable. My country people, not be sumoting, no. As I see Destiny Etiko, I was shortalized, my country people. First of all, my first greet you now before I'll go straight to the point concerning this matter. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If I'm a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe, feel free and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. My country people, person when do this thing, I don't know what I want to tell the person. The person, you know, better for that person at all. The person just wake up. He say na Destiny Etiko he wan wish like this RIP. The person come talk say Destiny not there again. Say Destiny don by Destiny don delete. As I see this video when they use picture take do so. I say wetin come dey happen to Destiny Etiko? Wetin come dey happen? Na so I take run o kiti kata kata. Na so I take go Destiny Instagram page. Now I come say Destiny there. My country people, I too say na true. As I see this thing, I say not again. Wetin come dey happen? Person when do this thing, the person forget say for this life nobody go dey permanently. Nobody go dey for this earth forever. One day everybody must go. And so it just be. You know, if you just wake up, they wish your fellow human being RIP. You know good nah. You know good. You know good to wish person RIP. As I see this thing, I shock my people. I say, what can they happen to Destiny Etiko? My people not be smarting now, so I can't say and say Destiny can't reply again. Oh, Destiny can't talk say who do this thing. Say you know better for that person. Say now the person now you go first buy before him. Say the person now you go first buy you. Say he not buy. Say he did. Say he dey where she for they do movies. So. Say they site where for the shoot. Say e dey. Say many people they call and wetin come dey happen. Many people when see this video so wetin come dey happen. You dey okay? Wetin come dey sup Destiny. Now so Destiny come tell them say e dey okay. They say are you sure? He can't say yes. So now they come tell and say see wetin they go on. Or say that they see you where they for the tag you RIP. Say you don't be RIP. Now so my country people, this thing as I see man, I can't talk say that person whoever who do this thing say the person you know better for that person. The person just forget say this life when we dey live we know live and forever. Say one day everybody will go join the creator person when create us. The person just forget, just wake up say now Destiny now I want use to do content. Now Destiny I want use to go viral. And some of now let me just, I know say, I know the tag person, RIP. You will just carry person pissed or person something. You will just they put RIP. It no make sense, my people. Men I know they do this kind of a thing. It no make sense. How you will just wake up, hand go let you the tag the right RIP for person pissed. It not really make sense, my country people. Men are stop and if you know say you they do this kind of a thing, stop and it no make sense because if they wish you this kind of a thing and your family, you know really sweet you know just wake up, they just that person say the person don't buy you, the person not there again, you know. It not make sense. You not really stand well at all. You not stand well. Everybody must go for this word when we did so. Not the wish person say the person don't buy. My country people might leave the video where Destiny for reply concerning about this video. So when she can't still see, she was shortalized too concerning about this video. So it never reach like this now, my country people. May we take them easy. Okay, my people. Now here for one live on now. Peace, my people. On bye bye.
I don't just understand this life. This life, I don't just understand them. Some people not just get work. When they find who I want trend with, when they find waiting I want trend with, now not dead body I want trend, it not be Destiny Etiko. Something they worry on for head. So somebody just they way they plan who you go, how you go take die, JJ, you go how you go take die. Not be me. Look at me, I'm very very fine. Coming out of movie sets, a lot of people were calling me, Destiny, are you okay? Are you fine? I am perfectly okay. You see that person that made that video, that person that combined my picture with that video, now you go die. Now your generation go die. That which you have planned for Destiny to go will happen to you, your offsprings, your generation to come. You will suffer for what you have done. What kind of nonsense is that? You define who we want trade with the government that are me, you want to do. Holy Ghost fire from third heaven. Yeah, Gabun Jaja. Nah, I am okay. Nothing is wrong with me. Look at me. I'm just coming.